Hello and welcome to my Next.Js course. To get started, first head over to nodejs.org, and from here you can download the latest Node or the LTS version of Node and then install it on your local machine. Then you can go to the code.visualstudio.com to download the latest version of VS Code. We will use this code editor in this course. Next, go to the command palette. We will use npx, and the command for creating next application is create-next-app, and then after add symbol you can specify the version. We will use 13.4 and press enter. And it's asking us about the name. We will go with the default name, which is my app. You can name it differently if you want. So press tab, and then it's asking us if we will use TypeScript or not. We'll go with yes, and then we will also use ESLint, so press yes. We will also going to use Tailwind CSS, so we will select yes, and we will also not use the source directory, so I will press no. We will also use app router, yes, and we will not customize anything, so no. And it will create the project now, and let's wait to complete this. Once it's completed, we will go to that directory, and then we can install the dependencies npm I, and then to run the project the command is npm run dev. And we can see that it's ready, so we can copy this and go to the browser, paste this URL, and this is actually confirms that our app is up and running. Now I will stop this and I will open it in VS Code, so code.period, and I'll trust this. So this is our project. You can see the app, and we will come back to this later. Now we will install some extensions, so go to the extensions and here search for ES7. So this is the library or extension. We will install this. This is for bunch of code snippet so that we can create React component very fast. So install it, and then we will install TypeScript, this one. JavaScript and TypeScript nightly, so we have installed this. And the last one is Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. So let's install this, and that's it. Our extensions are all installed. Let's close this. We can also run the project from here. So to run the project from inside Visual Studio Code, press Ctrl and backtick to open up the terminal, and here we can run the command. And from here we can just click Ctrl and click in the link. It will open in the browser. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.